What's going on, y'all? I'm doing a review on the Duck Home bag. Two bags. I'm about to return one. One is 90 liters, and the other one is 125 liters. I'm gonna return the 90 liters, but I'm gonna give y'all a review of both by side comparison, so y'all can see which one is best for you guys. All right, y'all already know what to do. Ain't nothing new. Bow. All right, guys. Duck Home bag, 90 liters. I reviewed this bag in full detail already, but I'm gonna just do a side comparison of both bags. I had this bag, it's 90 liters. It could fit a decent amount of clothes, but not enough for me. You know what I'm saying? I need something bigger. This is the size right here. Large, it's considered large. The one I'm about to open up is considered extra large. Let me open this one up right here. I gotta return that one. That's going back. This right here is the 125L, extra large. All right. That's how it comes. Perfectly wrapped up. Got all black on to go with the all black. Everything black on me, you know. Got to match the occasion, you know. But yeah, let's open this one right here. It's folded up well too. I don't know if it feels like this one feels smaller than this one when I opened it. If y'all understand what I'm saying, y'all understand what I'm saying. If y'all don't, y'all don't. Let's get it started. Open this up. Cause this one feels small too. Doesn't. This how it is right here. This how it's supposed to be folded up. Let's see. Yep, definitely bigger. Definitely wider, definitely bigger. 125 liters. Back the camera up some so I can see what I'm talking about. Right? 125 and 190. If I lift this up right here, y'all can look at the inside now. $125, extra large. And 90, large. I'll leave the link above so I can click on the link and see my review on this bag right here. But let's just focus on the extra large bag for now. Do the measurements like I normally do. So this bag right here is, how tall this bag is? Let me tell you right now. Okay. About 30 inches tall. about 18 inches wide. You're 30 inches tall, 18 inches wide. This one right here is about 30 inches tall as well. Probably 31. Both of them probably 31. But I know this is definitely not as wide as the other one. And this one is about 13 inches wide. See the difference? Okay, so that's the measurements of these two bags. Right? Again, I'm gonna leave the black one, the black large bag, above in the description so I could click and get the previous video I did of this. What I want to do is get this bag right here. This is a collapsible bag I bought from Dollar Tree, Family Dollar, and put it in here. It fits good. There's a lot of room. It's definitely more room. It's definitely better for me. Definitely better for me. Yeah, I like this bag better. I like the bigger bag better, to be honest with you. I can't even lie to you. So I got the measurements. Yeah, I got the size of both two different bags. You know, extra large, large, brown. Now let's fold it up. Let's see how it folds. This bag you fold like this. One. And then this bag you fold like one, two. Or it could be this way. It could be this way too. This bag you could fold. You fold like this. This bag you fold up like this. This bag you fold up like this. Got that part here. Come over like this. Some people even do this. This is the way it came in the package. Very small. Very small and, you know, portable like this. You know, some people could even open it up like this. You know, but I prefer it being folded like this. You know? But yeah, man, y'all already know what to do. Really ain't nothing new. Consider liking, subscribing, and hitting that bell notification.